Hey everybody, David here, Red Horse Aviation. I just got back with Cherokee here, and I don't know if you can hear it. If you hear like a winding, grinding noise, kind of winding down, I'll let you listen here for a second. I hope you guys can hear that. That's just to let you know, if you're wondering if you're a student pilot and you've never heard that before, or maybe your CFI hasn't told you that. That sound that you're hearing, it's slowly going away, it's winding down. What it is actually your gyros that are winding down, mainly your attitude indicator gyro. So I just wanted to point that out if you guys never heard that before. So thanks for watching, and check us out at www.redhorseaviation.com, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and we'll see you later.